Hello guys, my name is Pav Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to create a backlink and we can complete the submission process, all the process. But the main thing, this website can providing a multiple backlinks option to where you guys have to create a multiple backlink, multiple different types of backlink. Okay, so kind of you have to submit your bookmark, you have to publish your articles, you guys have to ask a poll, you guys have to submit a q and a backlinks. So there are a multiples options, and also you guys have to create a classified backlinks also over there. So the website name is apsense.com. So now we have to see this website having a 76 domain rating. Okay, so this is a very high authoritative sites, and I can show you the overall website traffic. So this website having a 152.3k total visitors, and you guys have to see this website having traffic from India, USA, Pakistan, Sweden, UK, that kind of traffic, that kind of countries from traffic this website having. So if you guys are want to attract or attract audience from that kind of countries, so you guys have to publish your article from targeted any countries where you want to attract a audience. Okay, so now everything that we have researched, so we can going to create what we, how we can going to create backlink. So uh, so first thing we can going to sign up now. So you guys have to create, if you guys are haven't your account in Appisense, so you guys have to create a new account. So there I can create with the name for my targeted with the name. Okay, sorry. uh, Yadav, my email is, so we have to click for the sign up button. I think my VPN is connected, so I'm going to stop because they're gonna. So we can verify the captcha, then we can click for the sign up button. Yeah, so our profile is successfully created now. So they can asking us for the display name, you guys have to optimize according to your requirement. And then professional headline, so you guys have to choose if you guys are creating your business profile in Appisense. So you guys have to choose your targeted keyword. Country area is India. Lab, which kind of services we are providing. So business, art, communications, language relations, subscribers, software, self-improvement, computer, internet and businesses. So now we can click for the finish button. So I hope now then we can going to click to update a profile image. So once you guys can complete your sign up process, so then we can, then you guys have to redirect it for that kind of interface. So you guys, once you guys have to click your profile, uh, once you guys sign up your profile on apsense, then you guys have to optimize your profile details, where they can ask us for the many information kind of your business, other details, and so you guys have to fill all information. And after that, how we can publish any kind of article, blogs, any other things. So there is an option to you guys have to post a bookmark. Okay, so how we can do, so I can show you the simple things. So we can simply copy the, okay, sorry. So there you guys have to put your targeted title, and I can going to attach a link, then I can going to simply click for the post. So you guys have to see the our social bookmarking post is live now, and I can show you the landing page URL also. Then you guys have to refresh your page, then you guys are able to see the view button on your published bookmark. Okay, so there is a multiple option, so you guys have to publish any kind of questions. You guys have to publish a article, create a review piece. Review piece is, sorry, review piece is basically a kind of classified backlink. Okay, so you guys have to click create a classified backlink also. How you guys have to manage the profile, there is one thing also, there is a great thing. So you guys have to spend the time and do activities, and then you guys have to earn a credit balance. These balance can going to help you for the article submission, or any kind of you guys are publishing a ad that can be a help you for the traffic generation. So they can give you a daily missions, and the join the campaigns, and the like any kind of any pages, then you guys can earn a credit balance. Okay, so a daily basis applications can give you the many tasks for the balance earning. So these things you guys have to follow, and then you guys have to build a connections for the traffic. And they are probably for the 100% from my side, if you guys can create your backlink on apsense, from this website you guys can drive a massive of traffic from your landing page, from your websites. Okay, so now at the time my internet is not working, so that's why I'm connected with my phone. So I can show you the overall process to which kind of activities you guys have to do on that website. So the first section, you guys have to publish your bookmark, you guys have to ask any questions, you guys can write an article. So I can show you the how you guys have to choose. Then you guys have to choose any kind of category, then you guys have to click for the create button, and then they can ask you for there you guys have to add your overall content. Then you guys have to choose your banner image, add a tag, and then they can charge you for the 50 credits. And you guys have to see, then you guys can publish your article, and they can publish your article instant approval. Okay, and then you guys have to see, I having around 400 credit balance, I'm not spending time much more on applications. Then I have around 400 credit balance, so you guys can spend something time on applications. They can give me the task also, I have a lot of another task, I can join the campaign, and then I can earn more credit balance. So I hope your doubts it will be going to clear now. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, so you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to help me something, you guys can want to connect with me, so you guys can hit the subscribe button and the like button, because these things can motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you, because guys, from your side anyone can ask me anything. To I'm at that time I'm preparing myself for the creating videos and the resources, so I can provide a best from my side. So I asking a one thing from your side, guys. You, if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe button and okay. So okay guys, so bye bye, take care.